So, you've encountered a problem while working on your Python script that involves parsing a query string into a where clause using an SQL parser. It seems like you're struggling with loading a regex pattern as a grammar. Well, fret not, as I have a solution for you. The solution lies in leveraging the RegexpTagger from the NLTK library to tag text with a regex pattern. By creating a RegexpTagger instance with your desired regex pattern, in this case, matching alphanumeric sequences, you can tag your sentence accordingly. This tagging process will help you in effectively incorporating regex patterns into your code. Now, let's dive into the specific code snippet that showcases the implementation of the RegexpTagger. Utilizing the RegexpTagger, you define your regex pattern and corresponding tag, ALN in this case, and then apply the tagger to the text you wish to process. This will tokenize your text and tag relevant parts based on the regex pattern provided, aiding in your query parsing task. In summary, by employing the NLTK RegexpTagger and following the outlined steps to tag your text with a regex pattern, you can successfully enhance your Python script's functionality for parsing queries. Give it a try and see how it improves your workflow. Well, that wraps up our discussion on incorporating regex patterns into your Python script for query parsing. I hope this solution helps you tackle the parsing challenges you were facing. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this video. Until next time, happy coding, and may your queries always return the results you seek.